This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this beautiful Ultra Limited is Superior Blue and Billit Silver. It's a really great two-tone combination. This bike is in excellent condition with low miles. The odometer has 7,186 original miles on it. It is a one-owner bike. It is a Rushmore Edition Ultra Limited, which means basically that it has a new frame, improved front forks and suspension, the updated saddlebag latches, redesigned tour pack, redesigned front fairing for better aerodynamics, and also includes the vent in the front of it to reduce buffeting on the rider. Has the painted inner fairing, which includes the 6.5-inch boom color touchscreen stereo system, which includes Bluetooth. It has a hidden compartment to put your phone or your iPod to interface into the stereo system for your music, which can be controlled by the touchscreen or by the hand controls. Being the limited edition, it has heated grips, cruise control, ABS brakes, also has the smart security system with two key fobs. Also included in that package is the Chrome Premium Harley Davidson luggage rack. Inside the tour pack is a 12-volt power point, and there's also another one up on the front fairing to plug in your devices to keep them charged. This 2017 Ultra Limited is equipped with the new 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. Very smooth and quiet running engine. Gives you more torque and horsepower than the 103s. It's all mated to the 6-speed transmission. It does have the liquid cooling into the heads. Nice chrome contrast cut wheels front and rear. LED fender tip light, LED headlight, LED driving lights. The seat is in excellent condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts, no scratches. LED tail light, turn signal, and stop lights on the back of the tour pack. One nice touch that has been added to this Ultra Limited is the Electro auxiliary LED filler lights. They are a stop, turn, run light. Also, Vance Hines 4.5-inch chrome mufflers have been added, which give it a really great rumbling sound. this summer riding season, take a good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited. It's a great two-tone color, low mileage, the Milwaukee 8 engine. A few nice accessories have been added to it. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP on a new one. Don't get stuck with the freight charges and the setup charges and the dealer charges and the dock fees and all the other mystery fees that seem to get added onto a new bike. And call Will at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.